are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection,
This is the Bosch ROS 20VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others find that this sander gives them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. Stay comfortable during extended use with the soft grip top and body design, which lets you have multiple grip options. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. Variable speeds ranging from between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute lets you dial up or down depending on the sanding task at hand. Featuring Bosch's hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment, this has over 35,000 long life hooks to ensure a firm grip of the disc during use. This sander holds standard 8-hole, 5-inch hook and loop discs. The soft microcellular backing pad is pliable, so you get a smooth, fine finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. An integral pad dampening brake system also helps prevent swirl marks. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a half a micron in diameter, this keeps your workplace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust. This sander is also compatible with standard 1¼ inch and 1½ inch vacuum hoses or any Bosch vacuum hose and most European hose sizes. So this is it, the Bosch ROS 20VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Perfect for any professional. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
remember when.
RT0701C is a 1 1/4 horsepower compact router. The router comes standard with a 1/4 inch collet and straight guide, and it takes industry standard template guides. The RT0701C is used to create common profiles like classic bead, corner bead, bullnose profiles, and more. The router is also ideal for trimming edges on laminates and wood materials. The fixed base takes an optional dust port for improved dust collection. Some of the features on the router include smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system for more precise settings, quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal or installation, and a heavy-duty aluminum housing engineered for increased durability. The router accepts 3 optional bases. The plunge base can be used to cut grooves, as well as dadoing, mortising, or inlay pattern work. It also takes an optional dust port that attaches to the base. The base comes standard with 3 preset stops for added precision, and it takes industry standard template guides. And it can also be used with the guide rail system for multiple applications. The tilt base provides routing at different angles. The offset base allows for routing in hard-to-reach areas and as close as 3/4 of an inch to the wall. The base is ideal for installing kitchen and bathroom sinks. The new RT0701C, RT0701CX7, and RT0701CX3 router kits are part of Makita's expanded lineup of woodworking solutions.